Have you ever rushed to release a product only to discover it wasn't what your customers wanted? What if there was a way to avoid this costly mistake while maximizing your chances of success? Eric Rice's book, The Lean Startup, offers a proven approach to do just that. Today, we're diving into the core of the Lean Startup philosophy, exploring why misconceptions about it can derail your AI implementation and how you can successfully incorporate its principles into your company's culture to drive innovation and learning. At the heart of the Lean Startup lies a build, measure, learn cycle. Simple yet powerful framework that turns business development into a scientific process. Every product increment becomes an experiment to test assumptions. Instead of assuming you know what customers want, you validate those assumptions early, reducing the risk of investing in the wrong ideas. Central to this framework is the minimum viable product or MVP. Let's clear up a big misconception here. Contrary to popular belief, an MVP isn't a prototype of the final product. It's a tool to test critical business hypotheses. The MVP isn't about delivering something functional to the market. It's about learning whether your assumptions about customer needs are correct. Many confuse MVPs with minimum marketable products or MMPs, which are basic versions of products designed to be market ready. This misunderstanding often arises from a delivery focused project management mindset that prioritizes delivery speed over understanding customer needs. While MMPs focus on delivering functionality quickly, MVPs are tools for acquiring feedback and learning, insights that shape and refine what's built next to ensure it meets real customer needs. The difference matters. Treating MVPs as quick launch products often leads to subpar results. Rushed releases can damage customer trust and derail your strategy as teams scramble to fix avoidable mistakes. An MVP isn't about how fast you launch, it's about how much you learn. Imagine two teams tackling the same problem. Team A rushes to launch a basic product, labeling it an MVP, only to watch it falter as customers express dissatisfaction with its quality and incomplete functionality. Meanwhile, Team B engages with customers in carefully designed experiments to test their assumptions first. While Team A may seem faster at first, Team B gains deeper insights, avoids costly mistakes and rework, and builds stronger customer relationships. This is the power of validated learning, Lean Startup's core value, and the key to building products customers truly want. Validated learning reduces risk, which is critical in the fast moving world of AI. Here, the stakes are higher because AI solutions must account for ethical considerations and long term impact. By using MVPs as learning tools, you can test AI systems to ensure that they meet real needs without unintended consequences. Embracing uncertainty is the key to lean startup. This can be uncomfortable, especially in organizations used to top down planning. Traditional approaches seek certainty up front. Lean startup, however, accepts that innovation requires adaptability and iteration. It focuses on learning quickly and pivoting based on what works. So, why do organizations struggle to apply these principles? The main problem lies in culture. A delivery focused project management mindset treats MVPs as rushed releases, while a learning focused product management mindset values discovery and adaptation. For MVPs to succeed, teams need safe spaces to experiment, fail, and iterate, something rigid project management structures like Gantt charts simply cannot accommodate. Here's how you can apply this to your own work. Shift your perspective. Treat MVPs as experiments. The goal isn't to launch, it's to learn. Start small. Test assumptions with the simplest experiments possible before committing significant resources. Incorporate feedback early. Engage with users at every step, iterating based on real world input. Focus on learning metrics. Measure how much you've learned, not just what you've built. And adapt for AI context. Recognize that AI requires careful validation of assumptions to avoid bias or unintended outcomes. As AI transforms how we work, Lean Startup principles help us navigate uncertainty, test ideas responsibly, and adapt to rapidly changing environments. And they remind us that the path to innovation isn't about speed, it's about achieving deeper understanding and delivering more valuable products. What's your experience with MVPs? Have you been used effectively to learn, or have you seen them misused as quick fixes? Let's discuss in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn more about ways to shift your team's approach from project to product management, click one of these, and I'll be happy to tell you all about it.